Welcome to Cedar Woods Farm. This is Carl, and Carl and I are ready for Cinco de Mayo. Are you okay? Carl gets very sleepy. I hope you are well, and I just wanted to come back again today because yesterday I tried to make a spicy Rita margarita and forgot the spice, and so we ended up just having a basic margarita, which was good, but I felt like it was a bit of a fail. So we're back today. I feel like I'm choking, Carl. So and this time I remembered the spice. So what we are going to do is I went ahead and made the drink down at the house, so I didn't have to carry all the bottles up again. But this time I remembered the jalapeno simple syrup that I told you about yesterday. So you just make your simple syrup the way you would normally for any cocktail. But then I steeped some diced jalapeno in it. So that's what we're going to do, and I have a feeling it's going to be even stronger now because it's had a night to sit. I'm kind of scared. Hopefully I won't stroke out on camera. Did you know that margarita means daisy in Spanish? I think there actually is a marguerite daisy, but I never put the two together. All right, moment of truth. Well, first of all, it's way too much salt on the rim, but it's really good. Okay, apparently Carl did like the hat. Yeah, I really like that. If you like spice, if you like a little heat in your drink, then I would recommend that. It's just a basic margarita, and with your simple syrup you add the jalapeno pepper. Yeah, that's pretty good. So tomorrow we're going to make palomas for Cinco de Mayo, and I'm going to wear a sombrero. Not this one, but a bigger one. All right, you want to go see how many eggs we got today? I came up this morning and checked because I didn't come up last night, and there were 16, I think. That's usually what I get in a day, 15 or 16. Oh, okay, wait. My word. Carl. Okay, so let's do that. Carl, you got my pants all dirty. All right. Okay. I brought an egg thing because now that I don't have to wear a coat, I don't have any pockets. Look at these pretty pheasant girls. Oh, and I wanted to show you every couple days I like to show you the golden red pheasant. That's the cinnamon. Oh, here he is. Let me show you, just because he is changing and growing so fast. I don't know how well you can see his colors. And what are you two doing? Okay. All right, I need to go supervise this because, hey! He's the one that has been harassing the melanistic mutant pheasant. Yeah, this is my life, chasing these pheasants. Okay, let's see what we've got here. Oh my goodness, a bunch. Aw, Stinky the hen's been in there. There he is. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. So sweet. And then, we got somebody on this nest. Let's see if she'll let me look. Hi. Hello. What you sitting on there? Oh. Yeah, there's 3 or 4. You did good. Okay. Hello, Carl. Carl is all about the hat, I think. He is ready for some Cinco de Mayo in. I just follow this guy around. So pretty. And he's still not all that he's gonna be. Beautiful. Well, I hope you are having a great day, and I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow when we make palomas. That ought to be fun. I guess that's it. Stay well. Thanks for joining.